This is a quick guide on how to buy shares of TBLA.com Limited. TBLA is a content discovery and native advertising company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TBLA, and this information is educational only, not investment advice. You need a brokerage account to buy TBLA, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TBLA to find TBLA.com Limited. Select the listing that specifies NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the name TBLA.com Limited and the TBLA ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade is filled, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the description below.